Hey guys, Lee from Glam Pride and Thrive, and today I'm coming to you with an update of my first week of fundamentals at the National RV Training Academy. It was a good time. Todd and his crew, funny, hilarious. They do go on a little bit of a few rabbit trails, but everybody learns differently, so that is one way for some people to learn, is that humor, in which I love humor. But let me tell you a little bit, just a short video here, a little bit about what to expect. Okay, so who do I think this is for? I think this is for anybody that owns an RV that wants to learn a little bit more about their RV other than just leveling it and putting the slides out. Now, I'm going to tell you that if you own an RV, things are going to break. It just happens. These things go down the road at 70 miles an hour and they shake and vibrate. So things are going to come apart. They're not like your normal house. Just in this 1 week, they will teach you 90% of the fixes, and all from the household tools you already have. So if you own an RV, I highly recommend taking the fundamentals course. So what are they going to cover in that first week of fundamentals? Well, they're going to go over all the systems in your RV. I mean, 120 volt AC, 12 volt DC, your air conditioning units, your water heater, maintenance tips, how often you should be servicing something, how to clean your water system. The amount of information you get in week one is perfect for the everyday RVer. If you want to learn a little bit more about your RV and how all the systems work, and the reason why you want to know how the systems work is because 90% of the fixes you can fix yourself if you just know theory of operation. And they teach you the theory of operation of all the systems in your RV. And I tell you, if you know theory of operation, you can chase a signal and you can fix it. Instead of calling out your mobile RV tech like I'm gonna be, you can save yourself a little bit of money. So thanks for watching, and I'll have more updates soon.